ain't ready yet. Wait.
100 bands, 1,000,000 haters, Fendi pants with the gators, diamonds, dance, percolator. Hey, you ain't fucking with no regular. I'm flipping bags like a wrestler. Wait, yeah, it's simple. When I put on Marcella, they call me Cinderella. You already know I can take a bitch, fella. Yeah, it's simple. They call me cash titty. I need like 50 down in my bank account. Word, like what these bitches really talking about. My diamonds they dance, yeah, you know that they walk it out.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today we're going to dye this hair into a pretty pumpkin orange, okay? So this hair is from Original Queen. Okay, they are on Amazon, and I did order 4 bundles of 18 inches of the Brazilian kinky curly. And I basically just want to show you guys how the hair looks before I dyed it. You see the curl pattern, you know, just keep in mind the curl pattern. And, you know, I know that the curl pattern changes after you know, wash it and stuff, but yeah. So, I did get 2 bundles of the orange blaze, $4.99 each from Adore, of course, and also 2 bottles of the paprika. Okay, I wanted to have like 2 different tones of orange, you know, that's what I was kind of going for. And of course I got the 40 developer. This was only $2.99, and then I already had the tub of bleach in my house. So stay tuned for details and stuff like that. What up guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And yes, this is the final result of my hair. Okay, so I was honestly going for a orange pumpkin color, or like a, you know, a vibrant orange. I've done the color before on my channel, guys. I honestly don't even know what happened. You know, I do know what happened. So, okay, as you guys know, this hair is from Original Queen hair. I got it from Amazon. Got 4 bundles of the kinky curly hair. Okay, I didn't get no closure because I wanted to do the flip over method. As you guys could see, I really want that closure look. I kind of wanted it to kind of look like my hair. This hair was $107, but with tax and shipping it came up to $118.86. I did fit all 4 bundles onto this wig. This is made on a dome cap. I did make this myself. As you guys could see, the top is a little bit more vibrant than the bottom. That was not on purpose. I did not want that to happen. I was actually disappointed in this hair dye job that I did. I wasn't really too happy, but it's glowing on me. It's glowing on your girl, like, you feel me? It's glowing on me. Okay, it's glowing on me. Like I said, I wanted it brighter, but it's okay. It's always more hair out there to dye. What happened, guys, was I bleached the hair, and after I bleached the hair, it was, you know, it went smooth. There was no shedding, no anything, and it was awesome. The hair was a nice bleach color. All I had to do was just condition it and put the rinse on it. But no, I wanted to be extra, and I used this, the purple shampoo shimmer light. This is what you put to tone blonde hair, so it doesn't have that yellowy, brassy color, right? My feeding ass went and put it on top of the bleached hair, which caused the hair to turn into a golden color. And I'm like, what the hell just happened? My hair went from like bright blonde to like a vibrant, darkish blonde. And I didn't know that paprika is freaking dark, guys. Like, the bottom is paprika. I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but the bottom is paprika. But the paprika is very dark. Nobody tells you that, but paprika is very dark. So if you are going to use paprika with Adore, please make sure you dilute that shit unless you want it to be like the dark, that color that it is. But if you want it bright, it looks bright on the bottle, but it's very conceiving. I'm not even gonna front. Make sure you put conditioner to lighten it. Okay, so conditioner always dilutes the color and makes it lighter. Put conditioner in a bowl and then pour the rinse in and mix it to your liking. Because me, I just poured it on top of the hair. My orange blades first, and then I poured paprika, and I was just gonna marinate it in. But no, it was so dark. I was so upset, guys. But overall, I like the hair. I've only worn this wig about 3 times so far. I like the hair. There is no shedding, okay? No shedding at all. The only thing I don't like was that when I washed the hair, the curl completely went away. I really wanted that type of curl. I wanted the curl to be tight and just the way it came, you know. So as you guys can see from what I showed in the beginning of the video to now, it's 2 totally different curl patterns, okay? Like, I mean, it's great hair. The hair seems awesome. It's nice and soft even after dyeing. As you guys can see, the ends are pretty good still. Like, they are pretty good. And with my natural hair, like, I did a twist out, or I did like a flat twist, but my hair is definitely not this texture. You know, I make it work. Got my little baby hairs or whatever this is on the wig. This is on the dome cap. This is how it looks. Just gonna show you guys the back. Okay. And as you guys can see, the hair is very big. I like it. It's big enough for me. And yeah, this is how it looks. So let me know what you guys think. I don't think I did too much of a job, you know. I do have leave out. Like, I braided the back of my hair, and I do have leave out. And guys, I do have on a Rihanna lipstick, her new black lipstick. Let me know how you like it, okay? I'm excited with that. But this is it, guys. It's amazing. And it's perfect for October, you know. I take that back. Like I said, at first I didn't like the job that I did, but now I like it. It's growing on me, you know. I like it. It's growing on me. And I did cut them with this razor. I cut it just a little bit with this razor comb. I just, and then that's how I was able to get some layers here. And I was able to just get it. I wanted to show the length. It was just a little too long for me. But yeah, the curl pattern is pretty dope. It's just not, like you see, it's really pretty. But you can see it's so lighter and then it goes dark. But hey, I guess that's kind of cute. Like, hey, you know, accidents are always good when you dyeing hair sometimes. And I didn't show me making a wig, or I didn't show me dyeing the hair, because I have so many other videos where you guys could kind of see that. So I just, you know, I just wanted to show you guys and tell you guys about my color. And I used the orange blaze on top, and then I used the paprika at the bottom. That's how I got it looking like this. If you guys do want your hair exactly like this. So yes, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl uploads. I hope ain't no lipstick on my teeth. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. GlamNefercent signing out. I love you guys.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. Do it, 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 do it.
Touch. Can you play that again?
My neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, 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 my back. First you gotta put your neck on neck, on neck, neck on neck, neck on neck, neck on neck. You gotta put your neck. Good, thick, big and long, 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 big and long.
Touch. Can you play that again?